everybody, I have been making blind bags. I made them a long time ago and no one's gotten them for me. Sad. But I will be opening them. So I guess we'll see. So common is pink, rare is black, ultra rare is blue, legendary is red, and epic is light pink. This isn't really ASMR. I don't know why I'm just... Okay. Okay, so first I'm gonna look at this. Okay, so common. Okay, so the common is a panda, rare fox, ultra rare dog, legendary cat, and epic fish. Don't ask why I put fish as an epic one. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Rare. Okay, so let's see what that is. So black, rare. So we got a fox. Let's see what the fox looks like, because honestly I forgot how I did all this. How am I supposed to open this? Oh, that's cute. I didn't put a lot of work or effort into it. If you're one of my friends and you would like to buy one, I have a few more. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.